Lauren, registered dietitian. Did you know that the way we eat can affect our mental wellness? Food and mental wellness are connected, and we keep learning more about how. For example, feeling overwhelmed or unwell can influence the way we eat or whether we even feel like cooking. Food insecurity, worrying about having enough money for food, is also connected to mental health. You might have heard that healthy eating patterns can lower risk of diseases, but they can also promote mental wellness, lower risk of depression, anxiety, dementia, and similar conditions. For specific questions about nutrition and mental health, speak to a registered dietitian. Eating for mental wellness is about the big picture. An eating pattern rich in whole grains, fatty fish like salmon and trout, nuts and seeds like flaxseed, lower fat dairy products, olive oil, and a variety of vegetables and fruit can provide the body and mind with the nutrients they need. Altogether, these types of foods can provide healthy unsaturated fats like omega-3s, minerals, B vitamins, fiber, antioxidant vitamins, which all play a part in mental health and overall health. Eating to support mental wellness can also involve slowing down to enjoy your meal and including foods that are part of your culture and traditions. Foods chosen may look different for everyone. For me, I like to pair a whole grain naan with half can of salmon for protein and some veggie sticks and some fruit, maybe some water. Another go-to for me is canned chickpeas for protein with other frozen veggies that are left over with some whole grain couscous or pasta or whatever I have on hand. And I might pair that with a glass of milk. But for me, eating is also about connection and a sense of belonging. Whether it's eating with my housemate or making a family recipe with my sister over video chat or phone. Mental wellness is impacted by many factors: genetics, our social networks of family and friends, incomes, living situations. We need to take collective action together to improve our systems. For example, working towards policies that improve incomes and address household food insecurity, like a basic income. There are also steps we can take every day to improve our mental wellness. In addition to nourishing ourselves as best as we can, aiming to get regular sleep, doing mindfulness activities, and connecting with others are all great strategies, including physical activity like brisk walking or any enjoyable movement can also help us feel our best in body and mind. Nourishing ourselves for mental and overall wellness goes beyond food. Noticing how food and lifestyle choices make us feel and taking steps to connect with others and our communities are all part of the journey in feeling well. Eat well, live well.